Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Windows update is not checking for updates on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. For whatever reasons, if it's unable to check and download updates, let's fix that problem guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it, troubleshoot setting. Select other troubleshooters and select the Windows troubleshoot to run guys. Windows update troubleshoot. After finishing this, check for Windows update issues found. Did you want to fix your problem? Click yes and close the troubleshooter guys. And close out of here. Go to search menu and type cmd command prompt. Right click on it and click run as administrator. Click yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands guys. Copy the first command and you just need to tap the bar and paste it in. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification pace of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it to complete it. After finishing this 100% verification, you just need to copy the next command guys. Check my video description for this command. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. After finishing this 100% guys, go ahead and check for updates. You should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.